Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Now tap on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, click on OK in the pop-up. And then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!